In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use the Credit One bank card. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. After you apply for a Credit One bank card, you will be able to activate and manage it through the app. You can also use the app instead of the website to actually apply for a card to begin with. So I highly recommend that you do this entire process through the Credit One Bank mobile app that you can find on the Play Store or the App Store. But like I said, keep in mind that you will be able to apply for a Credit One bank card through any branch that they have or through their website. When you open the app and sign into your account, you will find all the most up-to-date offers by switching over to the Offers tab. In there, you will see a lot of credit card options and you can browse through the ones that are best for you. You can accept and activate your card directly through the app, and as long as you select any of the cards available inside of the Credit One Bank, it will be activated and ready to use wherever you want. Any store or retailer that accepts credit or debit cards as a payment method will be able to use the Credit One bank card that you have issued. Once you are done, you will find them under the Accounts tab inside of the app, and you can see and manage the payments that are due at any time. As you can see, they will appear under your accounts, and you will get frequent notifications warning you about when a date of payment is due or any transactions that are made using the card. Inside of the app, you will be able to see your balance, manage the card, make payments, etc. You can get new cards from the app by going over to the Offers tab like I mentioned, and if necessary, you will be able to contact their customer support in there as well. But as long as you have a card issued from the Credit One Bank, you manage it through the app, you will be able to use it under any retailers. Make sure that you select credit card when you go over to the payment methods, and you include the credentials about your card that has been activated properly through the app. If you encounter any issues while trying to do this, I recommend that you call them at the nearest branch and you ask for help regarding your specific issue with their issue card. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Credit One bank card. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.